With 13 positive COVID-19 cases being detected in Assam, the state government has issued an alert to officials of all districts sharing borders with the neighboring state to strictly follow all norms to prevent coronavirus in the state. Speaking to the reporters of Shillong today, Meghalaya Assembly Speaker Medba Lyngdoh appealed to the people of the state while giving an example of present situation at New York City due to coronavirus. He said cities like New York and others is a perfect example of transmission of virus if we do not follow social distancing. He also urged to the people to stay indoor and follow the rules and guidelines laid by the government.
Well, as far as the present situation which prevails in the entire world, and looking at the number of cases which are really growing in the country as well, and also at the same time the spread of the disease has reached to the extent of entering the region of northeastern states, in particularly Assam, which has recorded the highest in a single day, and a few states like Mizoram and Manipur with one cases each. I think it is a very alarming situation for all of us, and what I could see is that the only way that we can prevent the spread of this virus is that we have to ensure that whatever the government has given a lot of tips and advice to the people of the state, particularly, that social distancing has to be maintained, and stay at home is the most safest way to ensure that we break the chain of this transmission of the disease. I feel that one should not take it lightly that because the government has imposed these regulations by entrusting the law enforcing agencies like the police departments and others to force the people to stay at home. People should realize that this is the time for us and for them, that we have to come together and fight the spread of this disease together. As you are well aware that the reason of spreading of the virus in other countries of the world, looking at New York City in US, the main reason is because the faster way to spread the disease is because people are not staying at home. They're basically moving in the streets as usual or as in the normal days. That is one of the reasons. Today, I should say, that in spite of whatever efforts put in by the government, by the Rambashinong, the Sordar, the health workers, the church communities, the SAM, the lawyers, and all the stakeholders who are part and parcel of the state. That is what I feel is really appreciated, but more needs to be done by enforcing ourselves to stay at home rather than moving out in the public. Well, I think as what the Honorable Prime Minister had announced, the 21 days lockdown in the entire country, today maybe we are left with maybe 12 or 13 days to complete the 21 days lockdown. I don't know what will be the situation after 21 days. But let us talk about what we have to do today and what we have to do now. The people have to ensure, again, I would like to stress and reiterate that we have to impose ourselves, you know, the restrictions, that the first priority for us is to stay at home. And please continue to support the law enforcement agencies and the government as well in whatever advice and suggestions that they've been given from time to time.